Hello everyone, I'm Nina, also known as Jerry by Nina, and I'm part of the amazing ambassador team for Archer and Olive. And today's video it's going to be super calm and super cozy, and I want this to feel like background company, like put this on, grab your journal, your scissors, your stickers, your random little paper scraps, I don't know, and let's just have a journaling session together. But before I start, I also want to remind you of something really important, and you don't have to write pages and pages for your journal to be meaningful. It doesn't have to be a therapy sessions every time. If it inspires you, if it helps you slow down, if it makes you want to keep creating, that's enough. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so for this first page, we're doing my essentials or my basics. This page is basically a visual basket of the things you love having around you, the things that feels like you, the things that make you feel creative, safe, inspired, or just happy. You can draw them, print them, cut them from magazines, or make a collage, like no rules, okay? For me, I'm adding my paintbrushes, a cup of coffee, washi tapes, strawberry, sushi, obviously my Archer and Olive journal, because yes, she's the moment, and even characters that I feel represents me in this season of my life. And the best part, you don't have to explain why you love these things. Just placing them on the page is enough. This isn't about analyzing yourself, it's about visually remembering who you are. And sometimes that's more powerful than writing photographs. Think of it as building your own little creative altar. I don't know, your space, like your vibe, your energy. You can use whatever you want. At the end of the day, this page is going to be a reflection of you, so don't limit yourself. If you want to use paint or markers, or you suddenly feel inspired to write a lot more, go for it. Just let the moment lead you. And now let's move into a song page. If you don't feel like writing about your emotions, so let our song do it for you. Pick that song you've been replaying nonstop. The one that randomly hits you in the chest. The one you sang in the car like during a music video. You know, that song. This is a free page. You can print the album cover, write a lyric in big letters, or just decorate the page with images that match the vibe of the song, like whatever you want. Sometimes I write the whole song, and sometimes just one line. Sometimes I don't even write anything, just visual that feels like it. And here's the thing, you don't need to explain why it makes you emotional. You don't need to dissect it. Music, a song captures moment of our lives. So when you look back at this page later, you'll remember exactly who you were when that song made everything. And that's journaling too, and it counts. And it's amazing. I love it. Okay, page number 3. This is the page for when you want to create, but you don't want to write. You know, like those days. So here's what we do. Find a quote, something you hear in a movie, a podcast, a conversation, or even something someone told you that stayed in your head. And write it big in the center of the page. And that's it. Okay, now, and then decorate around it, like stickers, paint, markers, collage, lawyers, messy or clean, whatever feels right. And come here, listen to me. You don't have to explain why it impacts you. Again, you don't have to unpack it. Sometimes just seeing in there surrounded by things you love is enough to remind you of what you need to hear. This is journaling, but journaling in easy mode. and easy mode is valid, invaluate, and it's beautiful and it's grateful and everything. Friendly reminder, live the moment and enjoy your journal because your journal is yours and it's so cool like you. Oh my god, I feel so a beautiful person. Okay. Next. Page number 4. And this one is powerful but soft. This is your para después. I don't know how to explain this in English. This is your for later page, maybe. Yeah, that. I'm going to try to explain myself because my brain in this moment is so messy. I don't know. Okay, step by step. First, you write a topic or a sentence that you want to explore one day, but not today. Maybe it's something like what I really feel about a change, or that conversation I never finished, and after that you can hide it inside a shape or behind paper layers, inside a heart, under a flap. Just make it playful and then leave it. Like, no pressure to write about it right now. This page is your remember that something matters without forcing you to open it before you're ready. I don't know if I. This is so hard. I'd love to say it's a language barrier, but honestly, I'm just really bad at explaining this kind of things. So I recommend reading the blog post on the Archer and Olive website because I explain it 1,000 times better there. Okay? Okay. Thank you so much. Next, page number 5. And this is one of my favorite, of course, because it's dedicated page to your pets. Your beautiful, beautiful pets. If you have a cat or a dog or a fish or, I don't know, a pet, just go and print their photos. Make a cute collage and write little things that make them unique, you know? Put in this page everything about your beautiful pet, like their nicknames, the weird things they do when they're excited, or the dramatic personality traits. I don't know, the habits that make no sense but are so them. You don't have to write a paragraph or a poem, just small and sweet details. This is a beautiful page and a grateful option because if you have a pet, you know they are full personalities, like full drama and full love and super unique. And while you're writing about them, you'll probably smile without noticing because I don't know, I'm smiling in this moment because it is so cute. Like, see it, it is so cute. Sorry, but I feel so proud of me in this moment because this is a beautiful idea. This is a beautiful page, and it's so cute. I don't know how I can explain myself and my feelings in this moment, but it's a beautiful feel, and I'm going to cry. Okay, I'm very sentimental. Okay, and don't judge me. Let's move on to the next one. God, how did I leave this one for last? Okay, this page is really special to me, and I hope it becomes just as special to you. This is your childhood page. Like, print a photo of yourself as a kid and unrounded, write simple things you love, or your favorite snacks, the games you play, the show or movies you watch over and over, or your favorite colors, the random things you were obsessed with. This is not about analyzing your childhood, not about going deep, not about unpacking anything heavy. This is just remembering, reconnecting with the version of you that found magic in little things, the version that create without overthinking. When I did this page, I remembered how much I love dinosaurs and dragons and markers and anything creative. And honestly, I still do. And maybe we're just growing up kids with adult money buying the art supplies we're dreaming about. I kind of love that. And that's it. Thank you so much for journaling with me today. Truly, if you enjoyed this little season, don't forget to check out the Archer and Olive website and blog for more inspiration. And also, you can follow me over at Diary by Nina so we can keep creating together. And I also made a little printable inspiration bingo for you. You can download it from the blog and use it anytime you feel stuck or just need a creative spark. And please remember, your journal doesn't need to be full of long emotional photographs to matter. If it inspires you, if it feels like yours, that's enough. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.